Hello everyone, this is Carol. In the previous tutorials, we've learned many interesting animation effects. And today I'm going to show you how to quickly create this moon face animation effect. The method used is very simple. Just follow the video step by step and you will be able to do it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. To create this effect, we need some materials, a video clip of the moon, and some image. You only need to prepare the moon video material, and the other images can be obtained through VideoProc. Once you have the materials ready, let's get started. First, we open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. Click here to create a new text layer, and then delete all the text. Next, click here to save a black screenshot. Then go back to VideoProc and click here to change your video background color to white. Click here to save another screenshot. Now we import both images into VideoProc. Put a white image on the main track. In the Effects section, find Circular Mask and drag it to the effect track. In Inspector, change the first parameter to 0.5 and the second parameter to 0.01. Now we have a white circle. Click here to save a screenshot. Next, place the black image on the overlay track. In the Inspector, align it by height. Then select the Circular Mask and choose the effect to apply only to the black image. Save a screenshot. We import both screenshots into VideoProc. Delete these two materials. Put the black circular material on the overlay track. Align it by height in the Inspector. Then scroll down to Blend Mode and change it to Multiply. Move the material to the left side of the screen, about this position, and click here to create a new overlay track. Copy this material to the new overlay track and move it to the right side of the screen. Now we have a material that looks like an eye. Click here to save a screenshot and import it into VideoProc. Next, we will start creating the animation effect. Put a white circle material on the main track. Set the duration to 12 seconds. Now put the second material on the overlay track. Set the duration to 12 seconds as well. In the Inspector, align it by height. Scroll down to Blend Mode and change it to Multiply. Next, click Motion. Create a keyframe at the start. Adjust the display area so it is slightly smaller than the original ratio. Then move the image to the right, so the center of the image matches the center of the right circle. Add a keyframe at 3.4 seconds. Move the image to return to the original position. Change the speed to smooth speed up 1. Next, add a keyframe at 6 seconds. Move the center of the image to align with the left circle, and then shift it slightly to the right. At 7 seconds, add another keyframe, and this time fully align the center with the circle. And finally, add a keyframe at the end. Click Apply and check Effect. Now the moon face animation is ready. Lastly, place the moon image on the overlay track below. Reduce its opacity slightly. Adjust its position to align with the circle. set opacity back to 100%. Add fading effect with a duration of around 1 second. Move the starting point of the moon material to about 6 seconds. Let's play it back to see the final result. Looks great, right? Isn't it super easy? Now check it out for yourself. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other new tricks or what has been going on with the VideoProc vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!